Mr. Sweet Review present top 5 best wet mop for tile floors reviews. At number 1, OCedar Easy Ring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System.
Life gets messy. Let the OCedar Easy Ring Spin Mop and Bucket System help you get a deep clean easier than ever before. Its innovative hands-free ringing system lets you ring your mop with only the push of a pedal. The 100% microfiber mop head gets rid of all that dirt and grime. Whether you're short or tall, the handle adjusts from 33 to 51 inches. Great for all hard floor surfaces. To keep neat and tidy, the splash guard keeps potential splash and spray inside the bucket when ringing. The pivoting head allows you to get around and under furniture. Clean the hard-to-reach corners with ease with the unique triangular-shaped head. The Easy Ring Spin Mop from OCedar. Give it a whirl. OCedar makes your life easier.
Number 2, OCedar Micro Twist Microfiber Twist Mop.
Welcome to the OCedar Micro Twist Mop, a twist ringing mop that allows for dry hands cleaning. Held together by double tail bands, the mop head covers a large cleaning surface without tangling, washing your floors with utmost efficiency. The 100% microfiber strings remove even the toughest dirt. The ratchet twist system enables the perfect moisture level of the mop head and lets you wring out more water without getting your hands wet. Micro Twist is a perfect fit with OCedar's Easy Pour bucket. For beautifully clean floors, Micro Twist can be used following 3 simple steps. First, soak the mop in the bucket. Second, ring the mop by extending it completely and twisting the handle. Then, push the mop head down to release the excess water. Finally, mop away with Micro Twist and watch your floors sparkle. To remove the mop head, simply unlock the head and slip it off the handle. The mop head is machine washable and can be reused multiple times, making it both economic and eco-friendly. To replace the mop head, insert the handle through the mop head and into the bottom hole. Wrap the mop head over the gray cup and twist to lock. You will notice that the individually purchased refills have a zip tie. Simply pull on the zip tie to secure the mop head's position. The Micro Twist is great for cleaning all types of hard surfaces. With OCedar's Micro Twist Mop, keeping your hands clean and dry during the cleaning session is easier than ever.
Number 3, OCedar Microfiber Cloth Mop Refill. Cleans effectively with just water or vinegar, no chemicals needed. Eco-friendly and machine washable up to 100x. Works great to clean any hard flooring surface. Doubles as a dust mop when used dry. Economical pack of 4 refills. Number 4, Lippman 2000 Wonder Mop with Wringer Cup. Power wringer removes more water, allowing floors to dry faster. Microfiber grip strips lift 20% more stubborn dirt than a traditional mop. Machine washable up to 50 times and works great on all hard floor surfaces. 62 total mop height with 10 microfiber grip strips. Quality made in the USA since 1896. Number 5, Swiffer WetJet Hardwood and Floor Spray Mop Cleaner.
Welcome to a new way to clean. Welcome to Swiffer WetJet. Swiffer WetJet is designed to quickly and easily clean all of your finished hard floors. WetJet is easy to assemble. Just slide the poles together, lining up the notches and secure in place. Slide open the battery compartment and insert 4 new or unused AA batteries. Next, attach the WetJet pad print side down on the redesigned mop head. Then line up the arrow on the cleaning solution bottle with the pole and gently press until the bottle clicks into place. Press the button to spray solution directly where you need it on the floor. The solution breaks down soils and the pad lifts and locks away dirt deep into the core. If your WetJet stops spraying or begins to spray unevenly, change the batteries. Swiffer WetJet works great on a variety of hard floor surfaces, including finished hardwood, vinyl, ceramic tile, and laminate. For best results, replace the Swiffer WetJet pad after every use. And for tough dirt and grime, use extra power pads with the scrubbing power of Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. When you're done, store until next time. Enjoy your Swiffer WetJet. Learn more at swiffer.com.
For more information, check out the video description. Thank you for watching this video.